We are moving next point, that is acceleration, represented by small symbol a, alphabetical symbol, and arrow on a head, that is means it is a vector quantity. Definition: the rate of change of a velocity per unit time is called acceleration. If a velocity of a body will changes from initial velocity u and the final velocity v in a time interval t, that is the formula. Acceleration is the change in velocity upon change in time, that is v minus u upon t, that is delta v, yani change velocity final minus initial upon time change, and the unit, that is meter per second or kilometer per second. Type of oscillation, that is uniform and non-uniform oscillation. In uniform oscillation, and if for the uniform oscillation, if equal change in velocity in equal time interval, it is known as uniform oscillation. For non-uniform oscillation, if unequal change in velocity in equal time interval, it is called as known as uniform oscillation. We are talking the positive acceleration. If velocity of a body is increases with respect to time, and this type of acceleration is known as positive acceleration. Retardation या deceleration, if a object is moving and velocity is decreases with respect to time, then acceleration is known as retardation or deceleration. We are moving from the numerical section. First numerical: a bus travel a distance of 200 km in 2 hours. Then find the speed of a bus. By using formula, he is calling for the speed. The formula is b d by t. D the distance, that is 200 km, and the time interval 2 hours, that is 100 km per hour. Next question: a body travel 16 meter in 4 seconds and 32 meter in next 4 seconds. Then calculate the average speed of a body. First time interval 4 seconds and the distance covered 16 meter, and the second time interval is 4 seconds and distance traveled, that is 32 meter. Average speed, that is d1 plus d2 upon t1 plus t2, putting the distance value and time value, adding that and dividing by 8, that is 6 meter per second. And we have moving for the next section of question. A bus started to move in a east direction and travel 10 km in 30 minutes. Then calculate its velocity. The distance covered, that is 10 km, and the time taken, that is 30 meter divided by 60 hour is 1 by 2 hour, and putting this value in the formula, distance is 10 km and time in the half input, that is 20 km per hour. Next question: a train cover 40 km at a speed of 40 km per hour and the next 60 km distance with 120 km per hour. Then find out the time taken by train to cover the distance or journey. By using the formula v equal to d by t, then t is equal to d by v, putting first time interval, that is t1 equal to d1 upon v1, then the first distance, that is 40 km, and speed, that is 40 km per hour. Solving this, it is 1 hour in covering 40 km, and the next 60 km, putting these values, solving, that is 1 by 2 hour. That the total time equal as t1 plus t2, that is 3 by 2 hours. In this question, like Meena paddled her bicycles at a velocity of 8 meter per second, and then she applied a brake such that the velocity of bicycle comes down to the 4 meter per second in the next 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration of a bicycle. We know that from the question, that is initial speed, that is 8 meter per second, final speed 4 meter per second, and the time interval, that is 5 seconds. Putting these value on the acceleration equation, we got at 0.8 meter per second square. When we have this value minus, that is means it is retarded. So the bicycle is retarded 0.8 meter per second. Next question: a car moving at a 5 meter per second to 15 meter per second in 4 seconds in each direction, and calculate acceleration of a car. The change in speed, the first is initial speed u and the final speed is v, and time interval, that is 4 seconds. So putting these value on the formula of acceleration, that is final minus initial upon final time minus initial time, that is 2.5 meter per second square, the acceleration of car. In the next section of video we are talking about distance, time, graph and equation of motions. And I hope you have enjoyed the video, and any comment and any queries you have asked on my channel. Thank you.